Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming power and safety. Make sure both transmitter and car batteries are charged to at least 80% because low voltage causes lag and erratic steering. Once done, flip the transmitter on first, then the car so they bind reliably. This prevents unexpected motor spin. You should visually inspect antenna and wheels for damage and place the car on a flat surface with a clear 2 to 3 meter area. Doing this first minimizes risk and gives predictable control feedback as you begin. You now practice controlled inputs so you learn how the car responds. Tap throttle at low pulses, 10 to 30%, to check motor and braking behavior and to avoid flips. While doing that, center your steering trim and observe drift. If the car pulls, make small trim adjustments rather than large ones because small changes are easier to judge. Next, adjust throttle and point and steering rate in the transmitter to match terrain, lower top speed for rough ground, higher steering rate for agility, which tunes feel and reduces mistakes. You finish by taking the car on a short timed run, focusing on smooth accelerations and predictable cornering so you consolidate control skills. After driving, power down the car first, then the transmitter, and remove batteries if storing to prevent leakage. This preserves electronics. If something goes wrong, like stuttering, no response, or sudden steering drift, rebind the transmitter to the receiver, check battery voltage under load, and inspect motor and ESC connections for loose wires or corrosion. These steps fix most common faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.